In this video, I am going to quickly show you how you can make your own curls or faux locks that you can then use in your fibre projects. Let's take a look. First, take a length of fibre and wrap it tightly around something cylindrical that is okay getting wet and hot, such as a skewer. Fibre that has been processed as tops works best. Also, keep in mind that the thinner your cylindrical item is, the tighter the finished curls will be. Then take this over to your sink and pour boiling water over it. Once it has cooled, put it somewhere to dry. Once it is dry, unravel the fibre and you will have a beautiful curl or faux lock. If you find that the fibre is sticking to your cylindrical item, to prevent this, you can wrap it in some aluminium foil before you wrap your fibre around it. To ensure you do not miss future informational videos or tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. You can also come and join the Flox needle felting community on Facebook. There is a link to this in the description. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please pop these in the comments.